Stop scrolling. If you've already invested at the Legacy Garden City Phase 2, this is for you. And if you haven't, this is still for you. We don't need to talk so much about the development as it speaks for itself. Look around. What began as a dream is gradually turning into a timeless legacy. Here is the good news. Our first batch of allocation is happening on February 22nd and March 1st, 2025. In a few weeks' time, some of you will be standing right here with your allocation documents while looking at your piece of the future. If you haven't invested, don't worry. This is your chance. One plot is currently 1.5 million naira and 1 acre is 7.5 million naira. And remember, you get a free plot for every acre you purchase. So, are you in or you rather watch from the sideline? Book an inspection today. You're welcome.